love me if you do not mean it. You don't gon' rock with you the cleanest. Rockin' man, you look like Venus. No world could come between us. At least I think I mean, I know what I say. Rockin' that shit as you bought me today. Knew I was gon' rock with you the hardest. I'm a G before an artist. I went for this, shouldn't have got me started. She done got me addicted, now I'm too persistent. Got me wanting to see you every day. Give a fuck with your family or your wretched ass friends. Gotta say, got me singing to you like Drake. I be the man that he ain't supposed to be give and take. All they do is take. She got bad decisions to make. I got bad bitches to break. Marriage is a shake. Remember I was born just like yesterday. It didn't feel that great. All I felt was hate. Still had to make a play. No debate, I'm great. I was trying to go away and take your heart, but it wanted to stay. I stack it up day to day. It's my only saving grace. The flash is racks in they face. I done learned how to stack it up 100 ways, but I never learned how to treat you right. Had me overthinking every night. I gotta get this right. This might be my good locking for life, but I'm committed to too many games. I know what you're saying. Maybe I was trying to, but I was playing. Unattentive and unfocused. You too smart to not notice. Froze you in my sleep, showing. Hey, how's it going? But it wasn't going. Canary castle with the purple diamonds. I'm surprised I'm still shining. I'm surprised how I bounce back. Ain't no way I'm gon' want that. No refunds, I keep popping it. Reruns, no stopping it. Who you want? When I am constantly arguing it. I wear the ice for the pain. I wear the conflict pain. It wasn't up to me. I just kept the ginger saying. Kept throwing stones at the glass castle. Run it back, we get at you. 50 black dude, and they can't get at you. I wasn't rude, but I was in. Hit 3 holes in my sedan. I wanna give it up just so I was in. I'm a player, baby. You don't usually break me. You can't understand what you did, but the kid gon' always live. And these bitches gon' always try to take the kids from the kid.